Hi everybody, Rob, John Miller Garden Machinery. Exciting news, guys. I could probably sound a bit more excited about it, but anyway, exciting news. Alko have arrived at the shop for sale. These boxes, we're going to unpack in a second and see what's inside them. So we'll dive in and have a look. Woo! Da, da, da. Big tractor. So, one of the new tractors we'll be stocking this year, guys. This is the Alko T22105 in their sort of premium range. Effectively, to keep it simple for you guys, 42-inch deck, rear collector, 310 litre with a 22 horsepower engine. The nice thing about these is good value for money. That's the first box undone. We shall, I reckon that we'll attack that box next and see what happens. Yeah, so let's see what's in this one. Another tractor. Right, so another Alko tractor in the premium range. This is a slightly smaller version of the one in the other box. This is the T18, I think, off the top of my head. What have we got in here? T18 93. So we're about a 36-inch deck. Again, nice big collector, 18 horsepower engine. It's going to be the baby brother or baby sister, depending on how you name your tractors, of the one over there. What else have we got? Cardboard everywhere. Right. Let's check this one out here. Check it out. Alko, quality for life. All made, you guys are interested, engineered in Germany. Made in Austria. Nothing like having a cramped warehouse with all the stock in it. So, this is one of their 18-inch mulches, I reckon. Good. There you go. I would put the handles up, but I need to screw them together. So for transport reasons, they don't put the handles on. Packs more in the box. What else have we got then? Let's have a look what this one is. We have a collection machine here. Collection box. Half a collection box, only joking. Comes in two halves put together. Nice Alko sign on there. And there's the other half. Right, what have we got here? Mulching plug, comes in the box. Let me cut the side down and we'll have a look what mower's inside. Oh. Side discharge flap. Get a lot of goodies in this one. There's a handle, everybody. No, not really. So this is, if I drag out this way a bit, I don't know if Nat can see in there. (18-inch) self-propelled, and it looks like this one. This is what you people might like. Electric start. Yeah, a lot of people ask about electric start. So 18-inch self-powered electric start, perfect little machine for your home domestic garden. That's probably it for now, because I've already made a mess and I'll shout at myself later on when I can't find all the bits. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.